Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox in your PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type for Roblox.com. Now enter your birth month, day, year, and other information as following. And click on sign up. So here it may take a little time. After verification, it will enter the Roblox. Here you can only see whichever the games are here. You cannot play them because in order to play, you have to simply download them. Now I'm clicking on Ultra Power Tycoon. Click on it and then scroll down a little bit, then click on this button. Now you have to download this, so click on download and install Roblox. There are 4 steps to download the Roblox in your PC. It's simple. Okay, so it's a small download, so it is already downloaded right here. Click on this right here. It has started installing. Now click on OK. You can close this. Now right here you can see Roblox player. Open this app. Now you can play this game. Now you can play any of this game here. Now click on open with Roblox, and as you can see, we have entered this game. That is how you download Roblox on your PC. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.